Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Basically today my topic is all about where to start and how to start. So many mothers out there who don't know how to start and from which sound to start. This is the first sound. This is the very first sound to show the kids. The sound is S. It's not S, it's not S, it's S. With this sound, you have to show them objects related to the sound. For example, S is for sun, sun. S is for snake, snake, like this. After this sound, the next sound is A. It's A, apple. A is for apple. A, apple. A is for alligator. A, alligator. A is for ant. A, ant. Like this you can show in front of your kid. The next sound is T. T is for tiger. T, tiger. T is for torch. T, torch. After this S, A, T sound, we will move on to another sound, which is P. It's P. P is for pizza. P, pizza. P is for parrot. P, parrot. Okay, the next sound is E. It's E. E is for igloo. E, igloo. E is for ink. E, ink. You have to show them so many objectives related to these sounds. The next sound is N. N. N is for nest. N, nest. N is for nut. N, nuts. You're not supposed to pronounce this N. It's not N, it's N. This is the pattern which we show the kids one by one. These both K are same in sound, but you have to show them the objects. तो आपका बच्चा ऑब्जेक्ट से इस दोनों साउंड्स को डिफ्रेंशिएट कर पाएगा. क इज़ फॉर केक. क केक. क इज़ फॉर कप. क कप. लाइक दिस. This K is for kite. K kite. K is for kangaroo. K kangaroo. So you have to show them the pictures related to all these sounds. The next sound is eh. Is for elephant. Elephant. Is for. After the next sound is for horse. Horse. Is for horn. Horn. Is for hat. Hat. The most important thing I want to share here, that you have to show your kid one sound at a time. Once you got to know that your kid can trace this sound properly, or he or she can write this sound and he knows this sound, like he recognizes this sound with the objects, then you can move on to another sound. After her, we have is for rabbit. Rabbit. Is for rug. Rug. These are the objects, and there are so many other objects related to all these sounds. You can get it from any book, or you can search in your phones. After we will move on to another sound, which is is for monkey. Monkey. Is for mom. Mom. Another sound is D. It's D. D is for dog. D, dog. D is for drum. D, drum. The next sound is G. G is for girl. G, girl. G is for goat. G, g, goat. After G we have A. A is for orange. A, orange. A is for octopus. A, octopus. The next sound is U. U. U is for lemon. U, lemon. U is for lorry. U, lorry. U is for leaf. U, leaf. U. After U we have is for fan. Fan. Is for fun. Fun. After F we have B. B is for boat. B, boat. B is for bat. B, bat. B is for ball. B, ball. Qu. It's qu. 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 Qu is for queen. Qu, queen. The next sound is It's is for umbrella. Umbrella. Alright, the next sound is J. J is for jug. J, jug. J is for juice. J, juice. After J we have Z. Z is for zip. Zip. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Okay. The next sound is W. It's not V, it's W. This is V and this is W. हमें अपने फेस के मूवमेंट से बच्चों को बताना है कि W एंड W में क्या डिफरेंस है एंड ऑब्वियसली उनको डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स शो करवा के हम इनका डिफरेंस बताएंगे. W is for watch. W, watch. And this W is for violin. W, violin. After W we have Y. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Y is for yolk. Y, yolk. And the last is X. X. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. X is for X-ray. X, X-ray. This is the pattern which we show to our kids. This is the sequence जिसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमें बच्चों को वन बाय वन हर साउंड इंट्रोड्यूस करवानी है, उससे रिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाने हैं. दिस इज़ द सीक्वेंस विच स्कूल्स आर फॉलोइंग. This is the way you have to make your kid learn t, p, n, e, n, k. So all the schools are following these criteria. After this we will move on to abacus का जो हमारा proper sequence है. Once your kid knows all these sounds properly, then you can move on to abacus का जो हमारा sequence है. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share.